An adult human skeleton is made of a total of 206 separate bones of various shapes and sizes. Bones support and protect the various organs of the body. All these separate bones are connected with each other by dense connective bone tissues. This biological connection is known as bone joints. These joints are constructed to allow movement and provide mechanical support for day-to-day activities like walking, sitting, and any other body movement. Inflammation or wear and tear in bone joint tissues could lead to arthritis. Arthritis and osteoarthritis affect joints, muscle tissues, and other connective bone tissues surrounding the bone joint, causing severe pain. This can make a person immobile. About 2 of every 10 adults in the United States have been diagnosed by their doctor with some form of arthritis. It is reported by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention USA that by the year 2030, almost 67 million people in America will be suffering from arthritis. As compared to India, these statistics are almost double.
Osteoarthritis is one of the most common joint disorders which occur with age, causes due to lack of joint lubrication and mobility. Apart from this being overweight, any joint injury and excessive exercise can increase the chances of suffering from arthritis. Ancient Ayurveda has the potent herbs in helping joint lubrication and securing the bone tissues naturally.
There are number of herbs which are tried in number of experimental and clinical trials, and they have got proven the efficacy to cure the diseases. There are drugs like Rasna. What is written in Ayurveda is Rasna Shofa Vata Astra Shwasakasa Visha Jwarana Hidma Shita Amavata Adya Vata Shulodaranicha. It means Rasna reduces inflammation. Rasna is useful in uric acid. Rasna reduces rheumatoid arthritis and also useful in osteoarthritis. We will not go into the details of how it acts, but it is found and it has been used from generation to generation to use Rasna in many kinds of arthritis. Another drug is Gugulu, which is a gum resin found in the deserts of Rajasthan. And this Gugulu and another drug known as Boswellia serrata, that is Shallaki, again found in desert. They are very good cartilage protective. They act on matrix metalloproteinase, which are the root culprit for destroying the cartilages. So Shallaki and Gugulu, they prevent action of destruction of cartilages by acting on matrix metalloproteinase. So one takes regularly Boswellia, Gugulu, Rasna, or Ashwagandha. There are other herbs. He can prevent the degeneration of cartilages. So if the patient is having burnt out disease, means cartilages if totally gone, in that case he may have to go for transplant. But we can definitely prevent if these herbal supplements are taken regularly. It will definitely prevent the further deterioration and degeneration, and person can have good strength in the joint. Most important, these herbs, none of these herbs are known to cause any kind of liver damage or stomach damage or renal damage if it is taken properly in a proper dosages. So the herbs which are useful for arthritis would be Rasna, Punarnava, Ashwagandha, Shunthi, that is ginger. In day-to-day life we use ginger, and Shallaki, Gugulu. So combination of these drugs will be helpful for preventing osteoarthritis, useful for cervical spondylosis, lumbar spondylosis, shoulder pain, and for the elbow joint pain, and for the neck pain. All kinds of pain can be easily treated by this kind of herbs. Only thing, one has to have patience. These herbs will not act instantly, but they will slowly cure the root cause. They will prevent the joint getting from degenerated, and person will have healthy joint. So use regularly a combination of Rasna, Ashwagandha, Shunthi, Gugulu, Shallaki, Ajmoda, Chopchini, and another drug which we use regularly is Methi. So use it regularly and keep your joint strength healthy and keep on moving.
Rasna, a powerful anti-inflammatory herbal agent that reduces the pain and inflammation in joints. Salaki. Salaki extract has the anti-arthritic property of supports efficacy and tolerability of bone joint tissues. Ajmoda. Ajmoda extract contains organic sodium which reduces arthritic deposit in joint. Punarnava. It supports excessive fluids retain and rejuvenates joint tissues in the body. Methi. It is also known as fenugreek. It contains vital antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. It supports joint lubrication and securing the bone tissues.
In a double-blind placebo-controlled human clinical trials over 20 study patients, use of Ayurleaf Herbals Arthitex has shown support in reducing pain and inflammation. It also helps to regain movements up to a normal range over a 5 to 8 week period. No absorbed side effects have been reported. Equally important is the purity of the Ayurleaf Herbals seed to shelf process. Our herbs are cultivated and processed in sustainably grown farms to GMP certified labs, where over 100 doctors and scientists validate their purity and action. Quality control is done over 3 rounds of production and batch-to-batch testing. We deliver a product free from excipients, additives and artificial binders. Ayurleaf Herbals is a benchmark of authenticity, purity, quality and safety. Loaded with natural anti-inflammatory properties, Ayurleaf Herbals Arthitex is an answer to mobilize your life at top speed. Biobaxi, Division of Herbal and Pharmaceutical Medicine.